Guys, we will treat ourselves. We are here in Naif. Oh, hi. This is Naif, guys. Like in Kentucky, but the Kentucky supposed to be we buy Kentucky, but the Kentucky is closed. They are repairing. Oh, this one, guys, is a meat. Oh, if you want to buy this, it will torn, and you chop. Oh, we treat ourselves, guys, to eat Kentucky. We have too much chicken in our house, but sometimes we will eat also outside. Mm. Hi, say hi. Uh, ah, that's the menu of the night, guys. Oh. Oh, may lechon manok sila, guys, oh. Sa susunod, guys. Sa susunod, guys, lechon na naman kainin namin. Every month, guys. We have to we have to treat ourselves also. Not everything go to the bank, the money. Ah, ay, tuyok-tuyok lechon. Tikman din natin yung lechon sa susunod. Ayun guys. Hi! Oh, he is the manager. You are the manager, sir?
Bonjour, madame.
Sir, you are the manager here? Hi! Oh, if you want to come here in Kuwait, mm, yeah, pa. The guy is there, guy. Oh. We are hungry now.
بص الخط محطوط اهو وجاب شبكه. هناك شبكه المتر. هو ده بيشيل خط واحد. ده بيشيل خط واحد. ماشي. ده.
Oh, open the
طب ما تجيب تروق اهو.
ritual.
بس بعمل كوبايه شاي من الصبح ما
Oh,
نشوف ما
sarap.
نشوف شاي.
Oh, diba? Lechon. How much the lechon? How much? Eh, you know English? Ah, you are from
Sri Lanka.
Syrian?
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Philippines.
Philippines. How much that one?
Mabuti.
Mabuti, eh? You know Tagalog, ah?
Sawaya ka? Coach.
Oh, 2KD 500, guys. Very expensive. 2KD 500.
Maybe one day we will make order.
Left legs? Bushor?
25
what's
25 26
muffin? Other people? I give.
That's ours? I thank you. Dito na order namin, guys. Oh. Oh. Mm. Maghingi daw kami ng ano, guys, brochure para sa susunod pag mag-order kami. O dito na. Eh, ala, lechon. Next time, lechon, guys. Oh. Wow. Thank you. Ah,
Friday.